Hi guys, welcome back to my bathroom. Today I want to share a little bit with you all about my story and my journey of feeling confident. I think that we all have a story and we should really own our story because that's all we have and that's what makes us us. I grew up in a small little city in Romania. In that little city, I was the only dark-skinned person. So as a little girl, all I saw on TV and in magazines was that beauty was really represented and portrayed by white women. So my thought growing up was that I was not beautiful, and I based that upon my skin color. It was such an issue to me growing up because I could never find the right foundation for my skin. I could never find the right blush tones or the right contour powders. And so I felt like I was just pushed away and excluded from society because of the way I looked. And that was something that I found challenging growing up. But as I grew older and as I became a mom and a wife, I really realized my success is really not determined by the color of my skin. It is determined by my confidence and my ability to own who I am. So today, as I sit here and I talk to you guys, I want to share my beauty routine and what I like to do to really bring out my own natural features. I've always loved using makeup that felt like my second skin. So one of my favorite products right now is the Neo Nude Foundation, and this is in shade 9. I love this product because it's even better than a tinted moisturizer, and it's lightweight, 50% water. It has hyaluronic acid, so it's very hydrating throughout the day. And what I like about it is that it really just helps even out my skin tone, and it enhances it, and it still feels very natural. It doesn't feel like I'm applying on a foundation, and so it can be worn every single day. So I just want to show you how beautiful this texture is in the sun. One other trick that I really like to do is apply a little bit of powder, and this is the Neo Nude in number 9. Just brush a little bit here, and I like to just add this top of my forehead, chin. Next, I'm going to take my A contour, and this is in color 21. I actually don't like creating a line. I much more prefer creating like natural strokes this way. Again, we just want to accentuate our natural features rather than transforming ourselves and making ourselves look like someone we're not. And what's nice about this product is that it's very buildable. It's not powdery, it just feels super light on my skin. It's the perfect product for summer. I also like to use this to kind of contour my eyes and the creases. I think it creates a really nice accent to just bring out your eyes. Next, I'm going to use my A blush, Smile, and then you want to apply this on the apples of your cheeks. It makes your skin look like it really is this color because there's no texture left on your skin, just the color of the product itself. So pretty, right? And now I'm going to apply my A highlight, and the color I'm using is 11. And when I apply my highlight, again, I like to do little strokes, and I don't like coming too close to this because it makes you actually look too shiny, and you want to create just the right balance and effect as you're turning your face. So I don't want to come too close. I just keep it to about here on top of my cheeks. And one thing I really like to do, the way the light hits your skin can create really beautiful effects to really help bring out those features. So look at where your pupil is and create a straight line, and then just place a dot right on top of your pupil in a straight line, and that really allows the light to hit at the same angle as your eyes. And I also like to take the highlight and just add it in my inner corners. And then the last part I like to do is just apply this beautiful balm from Giorgio Armani. It's in number 3, and it's the Ecstasy Balm. I specifically love this color, and it creates this beautiful sheen on your lips that again looks so natural. So the entire look just celebrates your natural features, brings out your beautiful glow, and just enhances that without altering your look. And I want to thank Giorgio Armani today for helping me feel so confident in my skin and allowing me to find the perfect match for my skin tone. I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you soon.